Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. In this video, we will learn how to use the powerful command to trace the internet routing and find network issue using command prompt in Windows. If you are dealing with slow internet, high ping, connection drop, package loss or website not loading properly, this CMD networking trick can help you quickly identify where the problem status. Watch the full video. First, click Start button, then type CMD. Open CMD Run as Administrator. Then type this command and hit Enter. Wait for result. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.